Haunted House Pinball is a lot of fun. I have it on my phone. Pretty decent rendition of it. It's got the right music. It's got pretty good physics. The problem is, even on an iPhone XR, it's kind of small. Easily lose track of the ball. For a pinball guy like me, this isn't ideal. So, have it for the PlayStation. And what's fun about it is, if you don't have it, you play it almost lifelike. Physics are pretty close, just like the phone. It's got some of the real effect of the game. Definitely has to sound right. And again, a classic game like this, it's a lot of fun. It's going to be more fun. The real one. Gottlieb's 1982 Haunted House. The first triple level pinball machine they'd ever made. It's got an attic, it's got a cellar, and it's got the main play field separated by glass, by ramps, by up kick shots, all kinds of interesting features. This is a grail machine. This is something that I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for. Recently came across one. It was in really, really rough shape, which is the way I like it. It's now fully restored. It's not just fully restored, it's also got a couple of upgrades. So we'll put a game through it. First thing I've got is I've got the free play mod in it. And it talks. Something that the game did not do stock. clear it. A little harder to do than it looks.
Extra ball.
And just get the extra ball, which happens up on the top level. Or on the Here it comes.
Secret tunnel.
Right through the secret tunnel, back down to the basement. And back into the attic. Ah, doesn't get the free ball, it wasn't lit.
Trap door open.
Alright.
Trap door open.
So that gives you a basic idea of the play.